into how it's possible to create with the new experimental code column from Glide a conversational application with Glide. So the basic idea here is to embed a long text with a lot of information that you want display to the user. And here I've taken just an article, a random article from Wikipedia about the USS Iowa, and then to let the user ask a question and let the model answers dramatically the question from the user. So for this example, I have used the natural language question answering model directly available from TensorFlow /JS /models. And as for the other video, I have already done the small work to embed this model in a given REPL so that eventually it's possible to use it in a Glide application. So here, so the question here that the user may ask, how many years did it serve? You can see the answer, 19. And we can look here in the article after a total of 19 years of active services. So we could say, so what is, why not some other question so that you see on live, what is USS Iowa? And here we have the answer, it's a retired battleship. So why not, when did it retire? And then we have October 1990. So this is as easy as using, once again, an experimental code column with the given uh, REPL. Here is the past question and answers. I will add it also down below in the comments. And so it is. And hopefully you'll find this helpful and you have lots of idea to use this. And please, yes, okay, good no coding.